Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically Forex swing trading, using the TC2000 platform. Trading foreign currencies can be a challenging and potentially profitable opportunity for investors. However, before deciding to participate in the Forex market, you should carefully consider your investment objectives, level of experience, and risk appetite. Most importantly, do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. Hello everyone, this is the speed run for the Forex 21 currencies for the week of 8th of March. This will close out the week on Friday the 13th of March at 4 p.m. Central Time. And we'll begin with the Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. And as you can see with the trade that we made on Wednesday, the price fell all the way to the extreme edge of the Bollinger Band, and it looks like the MACD 1030 is about to roll over and cross over. So we moved our stop down to the belly of the dragon. The Aussie dollar Swiss franc, it had stopped us out right at our stop that we had, break even plus dinner for two, and I went ahead and re-entered on Friday. It is in line with the season, and so I think there is continued action to the downside. Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. We're still in this trade. I have the stop at the PSAR. The season is still in the winter season to the downside. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. We're still in this trade. We now moved our stop down to the belly of the dragon, and it continues to ride not only the RL10 but the Z3. Aussie dollar, US dollar. So over the weekend we're going to keep it at the RL30, and as you can see here, price has skirted not only the RL10 but also the Z3, and we had a significant crossover at the MACD 1030. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. We went ahead and entered this trade on the buy side. What we have here in the candlestick formation is what they call, with the shooting star and a long green candle up, both are north of the RL10, and this is what they would call a tweezer. And so this is a bullish formation, and we're going to see what happens on Sunday. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, same thing. Another shooting star with a long bullish candle going up with the PSAR flip. So we went ahead and we did a buy on this currency. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, same thing. The rules, north of the RL10 we had a green candle, PSAR flip, and it looks like the MACD 1030 is also going to roll over. Euro, Aussie dollar, two green candles north of the RL10, and it looks like the J hook pattern is beginning to form, so we could see some additional move to the upside on this particular pair, and it's in line with the summer season. Euro, Canadian dollar, we have a tweezer here, but this is not following our rules here. We want to make sure that this is a red candle. Even though this is a tweezer formation, I wanted to stick with the rules. Euro, Swiss franc, there is no trade. Consolidating, we have up candle, down candle, south of the RL10, back over the RL10, and then another down candle. So even though the MACD 1030 has rolled over to the winter, we want to make sure that we have two candles south of the RL10 or two green candles north of the RL10. Euro, Japanese yen, we got significant direction here. We had a PSAR flip. It looks like the MACD 1030 might be rolling over. Euro, New Zealand dollar, no trade, nothing north of the RL10, and we're still in the summer season. Euro, US dollar, we're still in this trade. We have some downward movement past the belly of the dragon, and it looks like a potential MACD 1030 crossover. New Zealand, Canadian dollar, we have two red candles south of the RL10, so we went ahead and made this trade. Zealand, Swiss franc, we're still in this trade with a small gain. We're still in this winter season, so it's in line with this season. Potential J hook formation to the downside. New Zealand, Japanese yen, we have had two candles kind of skirting the RL10. I made a decision Thursday night to go ahead and go short on this position, but we have our protection at the hump of the dragon. It is still in the winter season, so we'll see where this trade goes. Zealand, US dollar, we're still in this trade. Moved it down to the RL30, and the price seems to be skirting the Z3. And we have a potential MACD 1030 crossover. US dollar, Canadian dollar, we're still in this trade, and we moved the stop up to the hump of the dragon. And the season is the summer season. US dollar, Swiss franc, we're still in this trade, and we moved the stop to the RL30, and we have a PSR flip to support. There could be a potential crossover of the MACD 1030. US dollar, Japanese yen, same thing, 2 green bars north of the RL10. Took this trade. There might be some significant risk here with all of the moving average is consolidating here around the 200. But we'll see what happens Sunday evening. Potential MACD 1030 crossover. Well, this is the speed run, everybody. Happy trading, everyone. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information on TC2000, I have an affiliate link below. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.